Hi, this is Ayana. Um, I'm gonna try to recreate the PayPal shape. I tried this before, so I'm gonna try to show you how I did it the first time. So I have a deep glass PayPal, and then this for dark blue, and then PayPal B for baby blue. And I'm gonna have just a regular width. I'm gonna delete this. Okay. So first I create a width and a height, then background dark blue and position relative because I'm gonna position because I'm gonna have two letter P's. So the other P will be absolute to this one. And then in the people V, this is a pseudo element which will allow me to add something before this. So, and I add width, height, background. So I use this. I don't know what this means really. I just watched the video that the instructor shared with us about the humble border radius, and then because I'm trying to create a half ellipse, I try to recreate the P. So I add border radius first. I have percentage on this, so it was like this, like she had it, and then I think she had 0 and 0, something like that. And this was 0 too. Okay. Never mind. I don't know, but I just watched the video and then let's try to type different amounts, numbers, and then so 75. Wait. Okay, there. And then let me delete this one. So position absolute. This allow me to have something, so a content, and then I added. Oh my goodness. Transform rotate. That way the ellipse is facing this way. Transform rotate. And then I'm gonna add more on my. So I want to. I don't know how to explain this in English, but I try to bend this little rectangle because if you see the PayPal, it's like it's in another angle. So I'm gonna try to modify that. And I also will use transform and then skew. I learned this. I use the CSS school because that's where I always find what I need. So skew, transform, skew, then -10 DHG. And then if you see this bend, the rectangle, you can try to type different things. Okay, and then I'm gonna move this through the middle because I want you to see completely the LP. Margin 0. And then I'm gonna add border radius to the corners because the logo has rounded corners. So I'm gonna add border radius and then 5 pixels. See, now I have rounded corners. Okay, now I want to position the before right here next to the rectangle. And I'm gonna do this adding margins. Margin top. I'm gonna add 9 pixels. margin left. I'm gonna add 10 pixels. Why isn't it moving? Oh, okay, top is wrong. So I'm gonna add top 10. Oh yeah, I know it's -9. What is why is not moving? Position absolute. Maybe border radius. Margin left. Margin top. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna keep going and then we'll figure it out later. Now I have to add the same thing. To this one. The before. Okay, now I'm gonna add another color. Okay. What? No. Wrong. What? Sorry. B and then B. This okay. Now let's modify the margins. I'm gonna use this absolute because it's absolute to the first div. Then I'm gonna modify the margin top. Oh, margin left, sorry. My goodness, why? Okay. No, my. Okay, there. And then let's modify the before. Minus and then let's see. Oh, let's add the C index. That way the dark blue is on top. Next one. Okay, now why my P dark P is, let me see why it's not working. Okay, let's go through the before again. 87, 90. Okay, I don't know why it's not working, but I don't want to make the video too long, so this is my first try. This took me a lot of time. So I added all these. Let's see. Yeah, it's -9. I don't know why, but this is how I recreate the P shape. That's it. Thank you.